Well, hi there, everybody. Good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here as we look ahead to another weekend ahead. Nice little warm-up on the way. Starting today as temperatures start to warm up after a chilly start. It is cold out there this morning in the 20s and a couple of upper teens out there. Some of the thickest clouds are across northern and eastern Nebraska, but those should thin out a little bit later on today, and we should see mostly sunny skies. Winds will once again be breezy, but this time it's a southerly wind, so that's going to help to bring in those warmer conditions. Overnight tonight, still chilly, but not as cold as this morning. And then as we get into your day on Saturday, warmer conditions working in another breezy day expected, but once again, more of a favorable wind to help warm things up for your day on Saturday. And again, temperatures way above average, 60s and 70s for highs. How do today's temperatures look? Well, even northern Nebraska, up around O'Neill and Ainsworth, are continuing to melt off snowfall, and I think you should make it to around 50 or so, mid to upper 50s elsewhere up towards the north there. And again, the winds will probably be strongest up in the northern part of the state, and I think that's one thing that may actually help to get those temps up to around 50 with areas that still have snow on the ground. Out towards the west, low to mid 60s for highs. Your south winds will turn westerly later on this afternoon. Northern Kansas could see mid 60s, low to mid 60s, upper 50s and lower 60s around the Tri-Cities. And then finally out towards the east, a little cooler, mid 50s off towards the east around Lincoln, Columbus, York, Crete, around 60, and Hebron 61 for Belleville, Kansas. 7-day forecast looking pretty good for the weekend. Again, breezy conditions continue, and that means that fire danger will continue to be high out there with the lack of moisture. We've seen the dry conditions, especially as that temperature gets warmer and the dew points remain lower. We're going to see a pretty good range between the temperature and the dew point. That's called a dew point depression. It's going to be a high dew point depression. So with that combined with the breezy conditions, that fire danger, as I mentioned, is going to be close to critical range. Monday will be an interesting day because we have a cold front coming through. It's kind of an issue of timing. What time does a cold front come through? It's looking likely we will likely see temperatures drop off in the afternoon behind that front, but we could rise into the 70s east and 60s west ahead of that front. Winds will crank you up out of the west behind that front, and they'll stay strong for Tuesday as cooler air works its way in, but still getting into the 50s. That's still above average. Wednesday, we begin to warm back around 60. Thursday, 68. Well, there's a chance we could make it up to the 70s once again by Thursday. But one thing that, again, is very unfortunate about this forecast is a lack of moisture. Not very good chances. A very slim chance with that cold front coming through, but I'm just not counting on much. And if I were to favor an area, it'd be eastern Nebraska Sunday night and then northern Nebraska Monday night. But those chances, again, not looking very, very good. Modest at best the way it looks right now. So again, nice. Look forward to a nice weekend ahead of us here. Again, I hope you get a chance to enjoy the warm weather that we have ahead of us. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you have a great weekend.